Hello my dear friends of class 12th. Today in this lecture we will derive an expression for the electric potential due to a point charge. किसी पॉइंट चार्ज की वजह से स्मॉल आर की डिस्टेंस पर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. नोट डाउन इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू ए पॉइंट चार्ज प्लस क्यू. ओके, एट ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ स्मॉल आर, at any point P is given by Vp equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R, where epsilon naught is the permittivity of the free space. Dear friends, we have to establish this one relationship. Let's find out. So before deriving this one expression, once we will recall what is the concept of electric potential. Dear friends, electric potential due to a point charge plus Q in its electric field at any point, say P, is defined as the net amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Means we have to calculate the net work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to point P. Here is the point charge plus Q, which one is placed at O. From here, at a distance of small r, there is another point P. Here we have to define the value of the electric potential. So for this one, we need to extend the line OP to infinity this way. Okay. Now consider another point A at a distance of small x from the point O. Now just place a unit charge plus 1 coulomb. Now first we have to calculate the amount of electric force which one is working on the unit positive charge, that is in repulsive in nature. Positive, so repulsive in nature. So just calculate the small repulsive force working on the unit positive charge. Small repulsive force working on unit positive charge. Okay, say F. Okay, that is electric force. F equals, you know the formula for the electric force, that is F equals, what is formula? F equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 over R square, where R is the distance of separation between the point charges. Here first point charge is plus Q and another point charge is 1 coulomb. Distance between them is small x. So electric force F equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into capital Q into multiply by 1 over x square. Okay, now just calculate the amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from point A to A dash, say very small distance dx. After that we will integrate it to calculate the net work. We will integrate it from infinity to point R. Okay, so just now find out small work done. So small work done in bringing unit charge from point A to A dash. Okay, that is dx, very small distance dx, that is dw. Small work is dw. So dw equals force applied into displacement. Okay, force is working in this direction, okay, in the direction of electric field, but we are displacing the particle opposite direction. So we will take minus sign. F dot minus ds or dx. Okay, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into small q. Okay, small q upon x square into dx, minus sign place in front of this one. Okay, so this one is the smallest work done in bringing unit positive charge from point A to A dash. Now calculate the total work done in bringing positive charge +1 from infinity to point P. Just use the definite integration. Okay, so net work done. So net work done, okay, in bringing from infinity to point P, say distance small r, okay, that is W equals integration dW, that is integration from infinity to r, okay, infinity to distance of small r, and just put the value of dW, that is minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q upon x square dx. If you solve this one, you will get 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q upon r. So this one is the electric potential due to a point charge, proved. Okay, you just integrate, you will get minus 1 upon x. Now place the value upper limit and the lower limits. So 1 upon r minus 1 upon infinity, that is 1 upon r. So our answer is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q upon r. So this one is the electric potential due to point charge plus q at a distance of small r. Hence proved. Note down.